ortho braces as a child and then braces as an adult, mostly just to straighten teeth. But they extracted my teeth and made my jaw smaller, and I always knew that I wasn't a good sleeper and I was grinding my teeth, and I also had TMJ issues, pain, and so found Dr. Ting through the Spear education. So I learned more about it, and he was able to expand my jaw. This was before he was doing the MARPs that he does today. I got the MSE, and I had an oral surgeon do the corticotomy and expand my jaw. And right when they expanded, I could breathe through my nose. I could breathe better, sleep better. And then Dr. Ting was able to balance my bite so that my jaw issues got better. I feel like my grinding improved. Use that in my practice now, that I recommend patients to go through what I went, and because now that he does everything very atraumatically, I think patients are more likely to accept treatment and improve their airway, their TMJ, all those things. I know it sounds, when you explain it to patients, it sounds very like, oh, surgery, have this thing in your mouth. But looking back, I thought it was pretty easy. It's something that I would recommend for patients, so they don't have to worry about that.